Well, that's 5 liters of VPower. Let's fire it up. Yeah, there's some smoke. That was to be expected. It's all coming from the exhaust manifold. Of course, the gearbox fluid has been leaking there for months and months. So all of that stuff just has to come off. It smells somewhat funky, but hey. So a good thing is that the RPMs are leveling out. I like that. It's dropping. It's a good thing. So yeah. All in all, it's giving off good signs. Oh damn, that's smoky. Very, very smoky. So it's been running now for a couple of minutes. So let's sit under 1. That's 2. And 3. Seems to be fine. Very hard to reach. But yeah, I think they're all doing what they're supposed to do. That one is a bit cold though. Either I'm not aiming right or there's something going on. I think all in all, it is having a bit of a knock though. Not quite sure where it's coming from, but it's knocking. Yeah, that was the very first run in, yeah, what is it, half a year or so. It's not running very smooth. It's a bit stuttery, so I have to dive into. I think for now it's very drivable. Well, at least I hope it's drivable. Gears went through. So yeah, can't wait for the maiden voyage, which will probably be later this week. So yeah, thanks again for watching.